Everything that has a beginning has an end. And silver's dream rally of 200% in just 8 months could be ending soon. Yes, I know it sounds really bad because people who are already invested in gold and silver are actually celebrating, because while Nifty has given 0 to negative percentage returns in 2025 for the entire year, silver has given more than 200%. Yes, I know it sounds unbelievable, but it is true. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the entire rally and also the evidence that could be giving us the hint that the rally could be ending soon, and everything will be based on pure facts and price action, no opinion based conclusion I'm going to give in this video. Okay, so it will be very informative. Make sure to watch this video till the end so that you can stay ahead of average investors who keep wishing for more and more returns when the market is clearly giving evidence of upcoming downside. Okay, you need to be alert. So I'm going to show you everything in this video, but just a reminder that this is not an investment or trading recommendation video. This is just an educational and informational video to help you make better trading and investment decisions, right? So with that said, let me take you to the screen. Alright, hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Financial Impulse. So this is silver's price action in daily time frame, and let me show you how it has given around 200% return in 8 months. Okay, so you see silver here, silver is trading as, this is silver ETF Nippon. So silver bees. Okay, it was trading at the price of around 77, came to a low of 77, 78. Okay, but it was trading here around 92. So if we measure from this point, okay, so it has given around 208 to 209% return in 263 days. Okay, today it is trading at 233. So first of all, it started the rally here. Let me show you the beginning of the rally. Let me mark the points. I know the candlesticks are little bit small, looking little bit smaller. Let me try to zoom in little bit. Okay, so that it will be visual, because we are covering a large area, that's why it is looking small. Okay, so this is the beginning of the huge uptrend. Okay, it actually started in June, okay, at the price of around 98, and here we can see after the rally started, it was going at a decent pace. Okay, but then it did catch the high tide and it went really fast. Okay, it gave 12% return in 84 days. Okay, which is a normal thing. After that, you can see from August, it gave around August to October, September to October, we can say 1st September to 14th October, it gave around 51% return, and that to a precious metal like gold, silver. This is not a multi-bagger stock, not a multi-bagger penny or small cap, micro cap stock. This is precious metal, and we know their nature is to give slow and steady returns over the years. But here it is giving 51% return in just 1.5 months. So that is amazing. Okay, then it came down. People thought that yes, it is going to crash now. It has given enough return. It dropped by around 25%. Okay, but then it found the support of the 50 days EMA. This blue line is the 50 EMA. Okay, the 50 EMA gave support to the ongoing uptrend, and from there again it rallied and gave around 80% return in 63 days. Okay, so that's a massive rally, and if we measure from this point, okay, where the trend actually started, it has given around 146%. Okay, so 150% return in almost 200 days. So that's really fast, 6 to 7 months. That is massive. Okay, now why I think the rally could be ending soon. Okay, it is mainly due to one candle which actually defines that the trend has become weak. Okay, and that is called the gravestone doji, and this is that candlesticks. Okay, so today the date is 29th December 2025, and the day is not yet over. The candlestick has not completely formed, but seeing the formation as of now, at the time of recording, the time is around 11 a.m. okay, in the morning. So seeing the candlestick pattern, it is looking like it could be the end. Okay, if the candle closes like this, then yes, it is a gravestone doji. Okay, if you do not know what is a gravestone doji, let me show it to you. This is the gravestone doji, and you can see whenever it appears, okay, the downtrend starts. Okay, the next the how long the downtrend stays, that is questionable, but still it is always it always triggers the upcoming downtrend, and that is what exactly is visible in the candlestick pattern as of now. Okay, the day is not yet over, but I'm trying to give you the earliest warning possible so that you can be careful. Okay, and do not worry, I will also give you hints how you can get the confirmation before exiting. Let's say you want to exit, you do not want your profits to go away, you want to exit, but only after confirmation, not by seeing 1 day's candle, or even if when the day is not yet complete, you don't want to do that, then I will also tell you what you should do. Okay, so let's see some examples. If you open this one, you can see after the formation of gravestone doji, the downtrend started here. Earlier there was a strong uptrend. Okay, now if we check another example here, okay, so here also we can see the same thing. Here the the candlesticks did show weakness, it came down, but when a gravestone doji appears, that is called the climatic end, or it is called the climax. You can find these terms in the popular book by William O'Neill, okay, how to make money in stocks. So that is a very popular book, and he has shown this multiple times. Whenever this candlestick appears, the downtrend immediately starts. So you can decide if you want to partially sell your holdings at this level or completely sell. It's a completely up to you, but from here on you should be very careful and watch your investment, the thing in which you have invested, very closely. Okay, so let's go back to the chart and see what is going on. So this is silver ETF, and you can see it has gone up far away from the 50 MA. Whenever that happens, it comes down. Okay, you can see here it went up. If we measure from here, okay, 50 MA was trading around 130. Okay, it came up to 180, so went up 37% above the 50 MA. If we measure the current price action, it is around 40 to 43%. So let's say the stock is starting to collapse from here, then obviously you can sell partially if you want to. And let's say you do not want to just sell just by seeing one candlestick, then what you can do is you can use the 10 EMA. Okay, you can use the 10 EMA whenever the stock actually starts closing below the 10 EMA, and the 10 EMA starts turning downward. Okay, and the candlestick starts using this as the resistance, then you can exit. Then obviously you have confirmation of few days, and there is no problem in that. Okay, you got the confirmation exit. Let's say you have invested somewhere around here. Okay, here. Okay, and you do not, obviously it is not the perfect time to make an entry, but you have entered and you are at a profit and you do not want to lose that, then you can exit after the candlesticks close. Okay, you can wait for the entire day today and then you can decide what to do. So these are some of the strategies. But let's say you are a long term investor and you want to keep accumulating silver as many units as possible, and do not want to sell it off just because you see some weakness for few days or few weeks. Then what you can do, obviously you can wait for the 50 EMA. Okay, the silver is definitely going to touch 50 MA, but when it will touch, that only future will decide. If it touches around 180, 190, then obviously you can track the price action there. If it is starting to show strength and then starting to go up again like it did here, then you can add more. Okay, this is for pure long term investors who are planning to keep it for 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, or maybe 15 years as well. But for people who want to exit and do not want any headache for the next 1 year, let's say it is going sideways or down, starting a downtrend, you do not want to hold the investment with that headache, then you can keep using the 10 EMA that I showed. Okay, 10 EMA you can use, or you can wait for the cross below. Okay, this is the 10 EMA. Okay, and 30 WMA. Okay, so you can wait for a cross below in daily time frame as well. Okay, if you are a swing trader, you can exit when it crosses below. That's a very simple strategy. You do not have to use your entire brain and do any complex analysis. Just wait for the cross below and then you can exit. Okay, so that was all about silver, and I hope you people did invest in silver, because I made a video on silver and how soon it was catching up a trend, how strong it was becoming long back, and I hope you capitalized it. Okay, and you should not miss this opportunity when the stock market, the equity is down. That does not mean you have to sit idle and invest in nothing or just liquid fund. You there will definitely be some opportunities in market, maybe not in equity market but in forex market or somewhere, or in your precious metals or whatever it is. Okay, if let's say there is nothing, then you can go for fixed deposit or the liquid fund. Okay, that is also there. You will get at least positive returns instead of buying risky stocks in a very bad time in the market and then holding with negative returns. So I hope this video was useful and informative. If it was, please hit the like button, subscribe to Financial Impulse, and if you have not checked my other channels, please check them out. I will share the link in the description below. And if you are already a member and finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts, and also you will be able to chat with me directly one to one on Discord and ask your queries. Thank you for watching. Bye. Take care.